You know, everybody wants to look young, but then we know it. Aging is inevitable. We will have skin issues, we will have wrinkles, fine lines, and skin collagen issues, and a lot more. Now, we always end up thinking about those expensive procedures like, Botox, fillers, and then injections. Getting injections on my face, that's a big no for me. Now, what if I tell you I have a better solution for that? I have Botox in a bottle. It has peptides which delays the sign of aging, fine lines and wrinkles. It basically firms the skin, promotes collagen synthesis and improves the texture of the skin. Anti-aging doesn't mean it should be applied only when aging happens. You should start applying it during 20s only to prevent any signs of aging and dull texture skin. It can be used in the morning and evening skincare routine. It's basically suitable for all skin type. So what are you waiting for? Start your skincare journey with Dermabay.